Come onto the front of the mat. Check your feet should be about hip wide open, so between 6 to 8 inches away from each other. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now nicely inhale, bring arms up. Exhale, bend forward, so bend your knees and bring your hands on the ground. After that, try bring your hips slightly up and give the stretch in the back of your legs. Make sure your back remains slightly straight. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Then inhale, right leg back, knee down, toes down, push your hip down and bring your arms up to arch your back. Gently, and inhale, hold the breath, bring your hand down, both legs back, feet on your abdomen. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Then flat down your body, untuck your toes. Inhale, push with your hands, arch your back. Make sure that your shoulder remain relaxed and elbow tucked in. Exhale, down dog. You want to hold here for about 5 breaths. Then inhale, right foot forward, knee down, toes down, bring your arms up, arch your back. And hand down, both legs forward, chest to the knee. Again, keep your back straight, bend your knee if you need to, and try give the stretch in the back of your legs slowly by lifting the hips up. Keeping the back straight. Inhale, bring your arms up. And exhale, release. And this becomes half round. We will do half on the left side. Continue. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Back straight. Bend your knee if you need to. Then lift the hips up. And left leg back, knee down, bring your toes down, push your hip down, arms up and arch your back. Hand down, both legs back, body in a straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Flat down the body, untuck your toes. Inhale, push up, arch your back. Exhale, downward dog. Five breaths. Inhale, left foot forward, knee down, toes down, push your hip down, bring your arms up, arch your back. And down, both legs forward, chest to the knee. Inhale, bring arms up.
and then exhale, release.